Hi guys, so this is the website I made. I made it for my mom's business called 10 Sweet Cakes and Baked Delights. It's a baking business she owns, and so when you type in 10 Sweet Cakes, this is the landing page. These are her logos she already had made, so I just added them to the website. As you scroll down, you'll see that it talks about her services. She makes custom cakes, talks about her cupcakes, classes, other baked delights such as macaroons and Filipino Sylvanas and things like that. You keep scrolling down and it takes you to some of these other pictures of what she's done, and this button that says order now, and this button will take you to this order page, which I'll show you guys here in a minute. Eat cake for dinner, it's kind of her mantra. And another one, I just really want to promote people to get a quote from her and just discuss what she can do for them. If you keep going down, there's some happy customers with reviews, and then they get in touch. So if someone fills this out and sends it, it'll send directly to her business email. And then this right here will take people to her Instagram as well. The next page is the About Me. This just talks about my mom and her story about how she got into baking and how she helped at her parents' bakery growing up. A little bit about how she works. She doesn't do fondant, she just does frosting, and that kind of sets her apart. And then, this again, just to keep promoting people to talk to her. The gallery kind of shows people what she's done in the past, gives them an idea what they can, ask from her. Here's some of her cakes. It's kind of a lot, so we're gonna scroll through here. And then we have cupcakes, and then we have some of her baked delights, and these, like I said, will take you to the order page, and baking classes as well. So yeah, these will take you to the order page, which here it's pretty simple. It's just kind of like a simple fill out your information, send a message, I'll give her an email. I did it this way so that people can tell her what they want, and she can kind of discuss with them about that, tell them if she can do it, if she can't, how much it would cost them, etc., etc. I think the biggest challenge was WooCommerce with this website. I tried adding WooCommerce and it screwed up my website 2 different times, and I wasn't able to even access it, so I had to talk to hosting to bring it back to life again. So right now I'm talking to WooCommerce, trying to fix whatever glitches they're having with my website so that we can add that cart in the shopping, because I'm sure my mom would love that on her website. So that's kind of in process, but any advice is welcome, and that is my website.